I am sharing the screen. What page you have to do, what you have to just do by yourself. Okay, so here you can see that one fun time question is there, picture based question. Yes, this page. David purchased a new keyboard, but he does not know about the keys. Help him to level the keys. Okay, you just try to do it by yourself. From where you will get the answers, you just use this page. You just use this page 13. You just use and just try to give the answers. Okay. From this page 13, you just level it. Okay. After a while, I will just start to level it down. After a while, I will just start to level it down. What happened, Rajbir?
Ma'am, we should do in book or copy, ma'am?
Book by pencil you do now. No problem. In the book only you all can do, okay? If any day anything you need to do in the copy, I will tell that this thing you need to do in the copy. Very fast you try to do by yourself. And one by one I will unmute you. You have to tell me what is the function of that key also. So read this now. Label, read one by one like alphabet keys. Why we are using alphabet keys? We are using it to type text like this way. Number keys. I will ask what we are doing with the number keys. You have to tell that we are just we can just write number with the help of the number keys. Like this way, you have to just tell me the answer. Okay, so think, and afterwards you will just turn. You will just raise your hand. Okay, Sifa, why are you just? What is the problem, Sifa?
Ma'am, I have completed writing.
Completed writing, then read the rest of the chapters. Okay. Rest of the chapter means, suppose here how much keys are there? Caps lock key, tab key, function keys, enter keys, backspace keys, every keys are there. Okay, space bar keys. I will ask one questions from this. Then you raise your hand. Okay, I am just lowering all of your hand, giving you 5 minutes to revise only these keys, whatever keys are here. From that, I will just ask anyone. I will ask one questions, and you have to raise. You have to raise your hand. Yes, Dipal, what happened?
Ma'am, I have late.
Oh, you are late. No, I am late. Okay. So first, you will page 20 computer. You open here. You can see the keyboard picture. Okay. This keyboard picture you just mark. Means which is the what key? Here function keys, alphabet keys. Like this way, you have to level it down. I will show it show the level afterwards. After that, you have to read the function of the keys. Means which key is used for which purpose. Kon key ta diye ki kaaj hoy. That those things you need to learn. Okay. Afterwards, I am coming back and I will ask you few questions. Yes, Amar, what happened?
I have completed the labeling.
Completed the leveling. You just read the functions of the each keys individually. Okay. And Amar, do one thing. Tell me the subject report. Just every subject, whatever is there was there, completed or not. Okay.
Ma'am, after the all classes, I say you in the app.
Chat section. Yes. Chat section. You just send me that what is the status of every chapter, whatever has done, and you know which subject will not have any kind of exam, like MSc. MSc will not have exam, art will not have exam, like this way. Okay, rest of the subjects, whatever is having with you, just tell me that. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So, yes. Any more questions?
English 2 and 1, not divisioning.
Which ma'am is taking?
Jini Mukherjee ma'am.
Rini Mukherjee ma'am. Okay. Revision is if not happening, then what is going on in the class?
No ma'am.
Revision হচ্ছে না তাহলে কি হচ্ছে ক্লাসে?
ম্যাম ইংলিশ হচ্ছে না, ইংলিশের জায়গায় বেঙ্গলি হচ্ছে।
Okay, I understand. English revision টা একদমই তোমরা ক্লাস পাওনি, তাই তো? আচ্ছা, okay. I will see this matter.
Okay ma'am.
Yes, if you have completed, it's okay, fine. I will just come back to the leveling and I will ask you the question. Anyone, not those students who are raising the hand. Who has raised the hand, I know that they can give the answer, but I will ask the question to the others. Okay, so here first I'm just at the writing part. Here these are the function keys. Okay, and this is tab key, this is caps lock. This is alphabet keys. After that, this is space bar. Next here, first is backspace, enter and shift. Backspace, enter, and this is shift keys. And here, this is arrow keys. And here it is numeric keys. Now, one fun fact I am just telling you here, if you are having computer back at your home, you all can see that here it is one shift key and also here is one more shift key is there. Okay. Again, if I'm going to see the control keys, okay, control is here, one control keys are there. Also one control keys are there. So these two keys are given in the keyboard twice. And sometimes all keys are also in the keyboard coming in the twice in number. Okay. So I hope that all of you has completed up to this. Now I will ask the questions. Everyone lower your hand. Everyone lower your hand. I will ask one questions. Afterwards, I will just ask to anyone. Everyone lower your hand. Everyone lower your hand. I Rajvi, lower your hand. Rafikul also lower hand. Okay. Now my first question is, I will ask to, let me see who are the participants. Okay. Asraful, I will ask Asraful. What happened, Asraful? Why are you showing your teeth?
Ma'am, my network is very problematic.
Yes, your network is problematic. Okay, no problem. You just stay on the class. We turn off your video. Turn off your video and do the class. Videota বন্ধ করে দিয়ে ক্লাসটা করো তাহলে at least you will just do few things.
Okay, ma'am.
Because those questions, what I will ask. Okay, Adrita. Adrita, unmute yourself. Adrita, unmute yourself. I will ask you one question. Adrita, unmute yourself. Yes. Now, first you tell me what is, why we are using caps lock key. Adrita, unmute yourself. Oh, Adrita, unmute yourself. Yes, Adrita, tell me why we are using caps lock keys. Know the answer? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Why you don't know? Caps lock key we are using to just do what? To write the alphabets in the capital letter. Okay? So everyone just try to memorize caps lock key. Why we are using? We are just, when we are turned on the caps lock keys, that time everything means these alphabet keys are coming in the capital letter. Okay, while if we are going to press that thing. Okay, now next is Ritok Prabhu, unmute yourself. Ritok Prabhu, unmute yourself. Turn on your camera. Everyone turn on your camera except Asraful. Everyone turn on your camera. Make it as your habit, because in the exam time there you have to need to just sit in the exam by turning on your camera. Ritok Prabhu, just tell me one thing. Ritok Prabhu, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First, you tell me which is the longest key of the keyboard.
Spacebar is the longest key of the keyboard.
And you know why we are using spacebar? You know why we are using spacebar? Yes or no, Ritok Prabhu? Okay, just let me clear this. Okay, let me clear this confusion. Okay, this thing I hope done. A little bit problems are there. Okay, let me first, why we are using keyboard? We all know that we are using the keyboard because we have to just type for typing purpose. Mainly where we are typing in the Word. You all have seen that in the Word many times we are just turning it on, right? Now here, suppose here I am sharing one Word document with you. Now first, no caps lock key is on. I am writing my name. Okay, just make it a little bigger so that everyone can see. So I am typing my name. So name, no caps lock, no nothing I have used. Only I have used the alphabet keys. Okay. Okay, the screen has not been shared. Okay, wait for a while. So suppose I am just typed my name without turning on any caps lock key and without given any space. So the typing will look like this. But this is not the procedure. Okay, I am just removing my name or rubbing my name by using the backspace. Then Which key I have used already? Alphabet keys I have used and backspace keys I have used. Okay, now I'm turning on my caps lock. Here you see I am again writing my name. Okay, here I'm for giving space because from our childhood we have learned that we need to give some space and we need to just write our surname a little bit after. Here I have used space and here I have turned on the caps lock. So for writing this thing, which key I have used, if I'm going to go that, for giving this space, you all write your name by giving a space in capital letter and write those things in your copy. For giving space, we use space bar. Okay, and to write my name in capital letter, to write my name in capital letter, caps lock keys you need to write has to be turned on. Unnecessarily question you will do. I know. Turned on. Okay. So here which two keys we have used? Here we used spacebar, caps lock, and alphabet keys along with this. And along with this, because these are our alphabets, so here 3 types of keys we have used. Alphabet keys. Okay. Is it clear to all of you now? These 3 types of keys I have used over here. Now suppose I am just showing you, here I have written up to this. Suppose I am just want to go to the next line. Okay, and here I am writing my address, means my district. I turned on off my caps lock and I just write Howrah and my pin code 711104. This pin code. Here caps lock has been turned off, and here you all can see that this is the numeric keys. Okay. So if I am just going to annotate my screen again, I must say like that here. Caps lock key is turned off. And here, which key I have just used? Numeric keys. Okay. So many keys we have learned how to use this. Here I have used numeric keys. Okay. Now is it clear to you or not? What happens, Well? Any questions? Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
ওই মার্কশিট কি 9টা থেকে 12টার মধ্যে?
Yes.
9টা থেকে 4টের মধ্যে?
না 4টে নয় 12টা।
ও ম্যাম শুধু আজকেই কি?
I don't know, call office. Whatever the instruction I needed to give, I have given already. Okay. Please try to speak in English. Repeatedly, I'm telling these things to you. If and from my next class, I'm seeing that you are still talking in Bengali. If you can't make me understand, then only you just can speak. I will just remove from my class and I will lock the meeting. Repeatedly, I'm telling you that you need to learn English speaking. You need to learn English speaking. You are not learning anything. Every time I'm unmuting you, you are speaking in Bengali. What is this? Okay, just I'm stopping the share over here. More keys are there, but like these function keys are having specific functions, shift keys are having specific function. But here, I don't think that I can show you because my options is limited from here while we are just using. Okay. So here I am just going to tell you few things. If you are having computer back at your home, just open a Word document and type how it is given, how you can type. If you want to go to next line, here you are needing to press enter. And today what thing I have told you? The use of the keys. Okay. So these all are very, very important. This chapter is also. Tomorrow also we will just revise this part only. Okay, so come back to my class with this thing, memorize this thing and come back to my class. Soel and Meghna, I will not take any questions. Unnecessarily you will just say me completed this, that, or something like that. So yeah, better I will not take any question. You just read the chapter and see any more keys you are having problem or not. Any more keys you are having problem or not. Tomorrow I will take a OMR based test again on this chapter. So read now and say me that any question is there or not. Yes, Rajbir, which is the question?
Ma'am.
English. Try to speak in English.
You have said us that you will take us the questions that what the keys, what are the function of the keys, ma'am?
Few keys functions I told, like by alphabet keys I can just type. By pressing enter I can go to the next keys. By pressing caps lock the enter line will be in capital letter. By pressing space bar I can just give gap. These are the things I have told. Okay, function keys it's not possible to show in the word. Okay, because function keys are having specific function. Okay, all over it is doing, right? So
yes.
those pictures I have, Vikas, what is the means This is a class, or just you are sitting here with to talk with your sibling? So you need to memorize those things, because I can't show you. How I will show you? You first tell me. Only the Word document you can see, right? But which key I am pressing, you can't see. So read those things, because I don't know that this year also the school will start or not.